Like this.
Okay, ready?
Hey guys, my name's Mackenzie, and today I'm going to show you how I made this golden armor from the new Wonder Woman 1984 movie. So this video today is just going to tackle how I made the armor itself. For the leg armor, undersuits, shoes, and bracers, that's going to be a separate video that'll be coming out soon. I'll link it in the description below when it's live. And then for the wig, I actually already have a video that I made a couple months ago over the summer, and I'll link that in the description too. I started by making a pattern for the armor using my mannequin, some plastic wrap, and masking tape. I drew out the pieces of the armor and used reference pictures to make sure that I had everything exactly how I wanted it to look. I then carefully cut my pattern off of the mannequin and then cut out the individual pieces. To make sure my armor had a sturdy base, I cut each of the pieces out of Worbla's Black Art thermoplastic. With all the pieces cut out, I began the process of shaping them to a body form. If you're new to working with thermoplastics, I really recommend wearing gloves that can protect you from the heat gun because it can get up to 1100 degrees and I've gotten some serious burns from it. It was a long process of shaping all the individual pieces, but I'm just going to show you guys a few so you get the idea. Finding the right fabric was one of the biggest challenges of this project, but I ended up finding a perfect synthetic vinyl with a gold mirror finish. I used this industrial strength glue to adhere the fabric to the thermoplastic. This glue takes 24 hours to fully cure, so I used wonder clips to hold everything in place while I waited for the pieces to dry. Since this fabric has no stretch, it was kind of a challenge to work on curved edges like this. My solution was to glue as I went while cutting the underside so the fabric could spread more naturally, and then clamping them down to hold in place. I put small pieces of thermoplastic underneath each wonder clip so it wouldn't leave a mark on the vinyl. For areas where I couldn't use clips, I just pulled everything taut and then taped it down with masking tape. My original pattern wasn't flawless, so here I am making adjustments as I go. This bra thing was definitely the trickiest piece to cover in fabric, so I tested out beforehand by cutting and then clamping down, then going back in with glue, and again just using thermoplastic and a wonder clip to hold it on there for 24 hours. Getting this vinyl fabric to lay nicely over a curved shape was really difficult. I actually made 2 of these. The first one looked like a Madonna bra and I cried, so this was the second take. Here's a look at the shoulder pieces in process being held down by chip clips. And these shoulder pieces go underneath the piece you just saw. A closer look at this bra thing with another layer I added underneath. And you can see all the thermoplastic supports on the inside. To hold the whole thing together, I decided to add grommets to the back and lace it up like a corset. Adding these in was pretty simple. You just follow the instructions they come with. You just need a hammer, and that's it. After I had all the other pieces together, the last thing to go on was the iconic golden eagle. So I forgot to take a video of what the back looks like laced up on the mannequin, so here's what you can see from my photo shoot. I did add grommets to the top piece also, but I didn't end up lacing it up because it stays on just fine. So overall, that was just a very fast version of the last 6 months of my life. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below. But otherwise, stay tuned for more Wonder Woman content coming soon, and thanks so much for watching.